In today's video, we find an 80s 90s dance party in the plaza of Puerto Vallarta. But first, we have a delicious dinner at Tacos Sonorita, where we get to try beef rib tacos, delicious al pastor tacos, and mouth-watering passion fruit margaritas. After that, we end the night by walking along in Malecón and trying local desserts. Travelers, guess where we are? Tell them, baby.
Puerto Vallarta!
Back in Puerto Vallarta at the beautiful Villa Premier Boutique Hotel. This is our little home away from home that we love so much. You can see there's the beach right there. We are headed out tonight in this beautiful night here in Puerto Vallarta. Look around. Sonorita is where we're going, guys. All right, let's get in this cab here.
Sonorita.
Bolas, Sonorita, bolas.
Tacos Sonorita.
No.
Pino Suárez, zona romántica, sí. Tacos Sonorita. Tacos.
Okay.
¿Cuánto?
70. Tacos Sonorita.
Okay, vamos, gracias. All right, guys, there you see we got a cab. Oops. Alright guys, we are at Sonorita. It is a delicious Mexican food place. And check out the al pastor right here. We can't wait to try some of that. And here's the inside, check it out. So guys, come with us, we're headed in. ¿Cómo estás?
Hola, amigo.
Hola, para todos, por favor.
Espero que sea adelante, donde guste.
Gracias.
Adelante, buenas noches.
Buenos. We're just seated and got our menu here. This is going to be, I have a feeling, a really good dinner. We've never been here at this restaurant before.
Got good ratings, yeah.
It's got great ratings.
And passion fruit margaritas.
We're each getting a passion fruit margarita. They also have, for dessert, they have flan, cheesecake that's either guava, passion fruit, mazapan, and coconut. I'm not sure what mazapan is. I think it's the little candies, the little thing that they sell. Buenas, ¿cómo estás? Wow. The tacos have already arrived, guys. Gracias. Look at these. These are the beef rib tacos, and they're literally a piece of rib with beef. And then you got all the salsas here.
It's like more meat
than taco. Let me show you guys so you can see what we're working with here. More tacos. The presentation here is amazing. But you guys, look at these beef rib tacos. They're just meat full of, and these margaritas right here, you guys.
So delicious. I mean, they didn't even skimp. It's so good.
Take a sip, baby. Yummy?
Yes.
I cannot wait to get into this.
Letting us get to Mexico safely. Please bless us with a nice trip.
Let's get into these tacos here. Salsas. You guys, cheers. That's a delicious margarita. The passion fruit seeds are in there. As soon as you bring it up by your nose, you can smell it. Excellent.
Just gonna eat this.
You want some?
I have one.
Oh, okay. Delicious. Tell them.
Oh my god. That is so flavorful. Oh my goodness.
Concentrate on these ribs.
You
Wow.
guys gotta come here.
You need to come and try this.
Holy, so good.
Here comes the first bite, you guys.
There's so much meat in that taco. Good?
Excellent flavor, you guys. Just full of flavor. The salsas bring out a spice that just complements it. The guacamole is delicious. Definitely recommend the rib tacos here. Let's see about the Al Pastor.
Oh yeah. There's just so much flavor. With the pineapple, it's a nice contrast. With the saltiness of the meat, oh, delicious.
Well, there you have it, guys. Rib tacos and the Al Pastor tacos, home run. So we're gonna finish our dinner and we'll get back to you guys with some desserts. So we just finished our tacos. I had 6 tacos, 3 of the beef rib, 3 al pastor. My baby had 3 al pastor. And we're going to share a flan that I asked if we should get cheesecake or flan, and the waitress recommended the flan. So it's as good as the tacos. We're gonna have a delicious dessert. We'll show you guys here. Oh, here it comes. Just a second. Muchas gracias. ¿Y qué es mazapán? El chiquito así que vende. Okay, gracias. So that's what it is. It's that little thing that they sell. The cracker, the mazapán. The little boy soul.
Oh.
So I guess they make a cheesecake out of that. I'm gonna try that. Guys, look at this. The flan is here. Huh?
Thank
You go first.
you. Gotta get the caramel goodness.
Yes. Look at this. Cheers. Rich. It's a very rich
Oh,
caramel, vanilla.
and the Mexican vanilla.
Yeah, it is the Mexican vanilla. And it's delicious, you guys. Highly recommend this restaurant if you get the chance. You gotta come check this out. Okay, so we wrapped up dinner. We're waiting on the bill.
Flan was the bomb.
The flan was amazing. Let's as soon as we get the check, we're gonna let you guys know how much that cost. We had 2 margaritas, a total of 9 tacos, and a flan. Gracias. The grand total, guys, 633 pesos. 633 pesos in USD is, they're doing an exchange rate here of 16 to 1. The dollar's kind of weak right now. $39.56.
Which normally in the US would just be the price of the drinks.
Yeah, exactly. So we got 2 margaritas that were delicious, 9 tacos, and a flan for $39. Can't beat that. So again, we highly recommend this place. Come on down. It's just off the Malecón, and promise you, you're gonna be glad you came. All right, guys. So we just finished dinner, and we are headed in the plaza here. You can see that they have got some live music, I think, or at least dancing. But guys, this is a happening place for a Sunday night in Puerto Vallarta. Oh, baby.
Yep.
So let's see what's going on here. It sounds like it's happening. Holy crap, there's a lot of people here. Again, you guys, this is why we just get out and walk and kind of see where we end up, because look at this. We ended up at this dance party. Look at this. Rock and roll. Hit another time in the shoebox, baby, and dance with me. You guys, so somehow we ended up in the middle of an 80s, 90s disco dance party here in Puerto Vallarta. What do you think, baby? All right, we're gonna dance, listen to some music, and we'll let you know how it goes. You gotta come to Puerto Vallarta for the 80s, 90s dance party. You're gonna love it. So you guys, we're out here celebrating the 80s and the 90s, Puerto Vallarta style, having a good time. Check it out. Travelers, Travelers, can you believe when you just go out for a walk after dinner and you end up on stage with the DJ at the biggest 80s, 90s party in Puerto Vallarta? Alright guys, so earlier we told you it was really hot out and the Malecón was empty. Well, check it out now. It's a lot later. It's about 8 o'clock at night and it's a lot cooler. And you can see that there are a lot more people out right now enjoying a beautiful Sunday evening. We just left the dance party and now look at these desserts, you guys. Yeah, look at this, guys. Come down here and you can get all kinds of stuff on the Malecón. Natural juices, guanábana, passion fruit, lime, tamarindo. Ooh, wanna get one? Thanks for making it this far into the video, travelers. We look forward to bringing you more content from Puerto Vallarta. Stay tuned and check back frequently because we have a whole bunch of videos coming up in this series and we can't wait to share them with you. As always, like, comment, and subscribe.